Tech Wars, Sales Monetization with AI. Here are some products and services that AI entrepreneurs can provide to sales teams. AI-powered sales analytics platforms that provide actionable insights and predictive models to optimize sales strategies and identify opportunities for growth. Virtual sales assistants leveraging AI chatbot technology to engage with potential customers, provide product information, and assist with purchase decisions. AI-based lead generation tools that analyze customer data, identify potential leads, and provide personalized recommendations for sales outreach. Sales forecasting algorithms that use AI and machine learning to predict future sales trends, helping businesses optimize inventory and resource allocation. AI-driven customer relationship management, CRM, systems that automate data management, lead nurturing, and sales pipeline tracking for improved efficiency and customer engagement. AI-enabled pricing optimization tools that dynamically adjust pricing based on market demand, competitor analysis, and customer behavior to maximize sales and profitability. AI-powered sales training and coaching platforms that leverage natural language processing and machine learning to provide personalized sales training and performance improvement recommendations. Sales sentiment analysis solutions using AI to analyze customer feedback, social media data, and customer interactions to gain insights into customer sentiment and adapt sales strategies accordingly. AI-powered sales recommendation engines that leverage customer data and purchase history to provide personalized product recommendations and upselling opportunities. AI-driven sales performance analytics platforms that analyze sales data, identify key performance indicators, and provide actionable insights for sales teams to improve their performance and meet targets. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.